It makes some men kneel in awe and give gifts, but it makes other men angry, which is the power of all women, the power of rebirth and creation. And you know it.
Hold up, I'm back again. Welcome to the E.D'ORSTYLES channel. Let me show you how I make these bangs on textured hair. I like to start by sectioning the hair and get a little preview of how I want the hair to look like.
My mama told me don't talk to people you haven't met. I guess my mama was right, but it's not 'cause everybody you meet is dangerous, but 'cause they'll break your heart. 'Cause she plays it so cool, making up her own rules.
This is what I'll be using. I like to put clips to hold the hair back. I'm going to straighten the hair since it's textured hair. I don't want it looking crazy when I choose to wear it in its natural state. So it's better to just cut it while it's bone straight. I'm going to be doing this by section and you will see me doing many sections. It just helps me maintain as much control as I can to the cut so I don't go too short. I just had so many bad experiences with bangs. So this is the way I like to do it now. I always make sure my wig is sitting properly and just making sure it's placed where it's supposed to be, because the worst thing you can do is cut the hair too short, especially if it's a wig. You could always add extensions, of course, to get back that length, but because it is a lace, I would just rather it be cut properly the first time. My first cut is going to be what I'll be using as a reference for the rest of the sections. Quick tip, I like to cut the hair at an angle. I do this because the hair won't feel prickly. I don't know if that's the right word to use, but if you've ever had bangs, you know your forehead gets itchy, it gets annoying. 10 minutes after you did it, you're like, why did I do this? But if you cut your hair at an angle, it will wisp the hair, which will give it a texture really soft so you won't notice you have the bangs. And I like to purposely cut the hair longer than the length I would like, and then gradually I will cut it shorter by section. Because I'm going to be framing my face, I'm going to leave a few hair on each side because this is going to be my point of reference of framing my face.
She's not a celebrity, but she's taken, so can't help falling in love.
And for every section, I'm still going to be using my middle cut as a reference. Now I'm going to cut it shorter, more so the look that I want. I just feel safer doing it this way, especially because it helps me get my look without making a mistake in the beginning, which, you know, would be harder to fix.
'Cause she plays it so cool, making up her own rules, and I'm a loser for thinking I've got any shot in the dark. Now it's hitting me hard. Tell me, what am I supposed to do? 'Cause I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken, still can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up. I've got it. Internet crush. Internet crush. Internet crush. Internet crush. But if we met somewhere else, would things be different? Or am I wasting my time? Overanalyzing everything that I never said. Why can't I make shot in the dark, now it's hitting me hard. Tell me, what am I supposed to do? 'Cause I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. Still can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up. I've got an internet crush. Internet crush. Internet crush. Internet crush.
Now you see how it's shaping up? It's just better to do it this way, especially if it's your real hair, because that would be unfortunate if you go too short. You could always add extensions, but I mean, when I start framing my face, I'm going to put the hair at an angle.
She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. So can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up. My mama told me don't talk to people you haven't met. I guess my mama was right. But it's not 'cause everybody you meet is dangerous. Fact, 'cause they'll break your heart. 'Cause she plays it so cool, making up her own rules. And I'm a loser for thinking I've got any shot in the dark, now it's hitting me hard. Tell me, what am I supposed to do? 'Cause I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. Still can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up. I've got it. Internet
And still cut it at an angle just to get that wisp, soft, natural effect. It will remove a lot of weight out of the hair while keeping it soft and more natural looking, not like a straight cut.
But if we met somewhere else, would things be different? Or am I wasting my time? Overanalyzing everything that I never said. Why can't I make?
And then I'm just going to keep cleaning it up until I get the look that I like. This will all depend on how you frame your face and what suits you better, but this is how I'm doing it.
Any shot in the dark, now it's hitting.
Now to complete my framing and cut the hair at an angle while framing my face.
I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity.
Now look at that, such a difference. I love to do this, especially when I don't want to think about the lace on the wig. So bangs are just a great way to have a quick, easy, and pretty look. Now look at this. This is looking good and natural, but
hold it.
This is how it looks styled. And I love this look. I do this look like once a year, every year. It's my thing. Bangs are my thing. So, you know, I got you. I got you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And I'll see you on my next one. Bye.
Baby, ay, 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 ven aquí, baby. Oh, ven aquí, baby. Ay, 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 ven aquí, baby. Oh, ven aquí, baby. Ay, 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 ven aquí, baby. Oh, ven aquí, baby.